Now, government officials from Kenya, Haiti, and the United States have held secret meetings of the deployment of Kenyan police officers to Haiti. Among the issues discussed during the meetings are the concept of operations of the mission and logistics. This is despite a court order halting the deployment process on grounds of legality, bringing to the fore the concerns about the executive's disobedience of court orders. And as Martin Wangi reports, it was during the three-day DC meeting that a senior Kenyan officer was found dead in his hotel room.
A delegation from Kenya led by the former Inspector General of Police Joseph Boynet, who currently serves as the Deputy National Security Advisor, met with Haitian and US officials in Washington for 3 days on February 12th, 13th and 14th to discuss critical details surrounding the deployment of Kenyan police officers to the Caribbean nation. NTV has learned that during the meeting, a memorandum of understanding was drafted, and within it included a deadline when the officers from Kenya expect to arrive in Haiti. However, by the time the meeting concluded, the parties had not finalized on the exact date when the officers will be leaving Kenya. The Kenyan team committed to communicate next week the exact date when the officers will be leaving the country. Equally, during the meetings, they also discussed issues of logistics on how Kenyan officers will be able to move from one point to the other during their time in Haiti. Compliance, surveillance, required equipment, operations and human rights issues which have been raised against the Kenyan police in regards to how they handled the 2023 anti-government protests were other topics of discussion. It is during the meeting that Walter Nyakeya Nyamato, a senior officer who served as the personal assistant PA to Deputy Inspector General Noor Gabu, was found dead inside a hotel room located in Washington, D.C. The cause of death is yet to be made public. The High Court blocked the government from deploying police officers to fight gangs in Haiti. The court termed the deployment unconstitutional as the National Security Council lacks the legal authority to send police outside Kenya. A statement by Haitian government said a final decision on the MOU would be arrived at early next week, as well as signatures by both parties.
Fight the gangs.
Martin Wangi, NTV.